Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have here is the Seiko 5 SNKK31K1, which is on a NATO strap. So what I'm going to do today is I have two straps here, which I'm trying to change the strap and use this leather strap, which is actually sourced from China. It's very cheap, about $5, and mesh bracelet, which also bought from China and costs about $6 USD. It's very cheap. And this one is the original strap of the Seiko 5. So this is the original strap. Nothing wrong with it. It's nice, I think, and I still like it, but I would like to try some other straps with this little Seiko. So this strap over here is also sourced from China. It's a NATO strap, beige in color, and I think it's really fits this little Seiko over here. Okay, so let's try it. We will try the leather strap first, and then I just take this off and show you all the look of the strap itself. It's a little bit difficult to take it off. Okay, so that's it. So it's I've been using this so far. Okay, so you can see some scratches over there. It's not new. Okay, so this is crocodile style leather strap, but I'm not very sure whether this is real leather. So there's no way for me to I'm not an expert on leather, so I don't know whether this is real leather or not. So we just try and fit it in. So I'll be back in a short while. Okay, welcome back. So this is how it's look with the leather strap. In my personal opinion, I think this is just nice. It just suit the watch itself. The leather strap suit the watch itself, and it's to me it's just look it's a nice combination because of a dark color of the strap and also black dial of the Seiko 5. Let's try it on my wrist. Ooh. Okay, so this is how it's look on my wrist. I have a small wrist, which is about 6.5 inches. So this is how it's look on a small wrist, 6.5-inch wrist. Looking good. Okay, so the next strap will be this mesh bracelet, which you just take it off. Okay, so this is a 20mm strap, mesh bracelet, which is sourced from China. You can see there's the lock over here, and even though it's very cheap, it's probably about 5 to 6 USD, because I bought this in Malaysian ringgit, so I'm not very sure about the exchange rate. But it's look decent, even though it's cheap, but it look decent, look good enough. let's try it, and we'll be back with you shortly. Okay, welcome back. So this is how it look like. Sorry about the puppies barking in the background. So this is how it look with the mesh bracelet. This look nice. I think this is the most suitable strap or bracelet for this little Seiko. And I'm going to let this strap on it for a short while. I'll use it with this strap, and probably in about 1 or 2 months I'll change it with the rest, because I think this is the most versatile, is most suitable strap for this Seiko 5. It just matches the silver color of the strap and also the casing, sorry, the case. So it's look fantastic to me. Let's try it on my wrist. It will be with you shortly. Ooh, okay, so this is how it's look on my wrist, on a 6.5 wrist. And I think this is if I compare it with the leather strap, I think this is much more suitable for this one. So it's just matching the case, the silver case, and the silver bracelet. So I'm going to use this for a couple of months and see whether I really like it or not. Looks good. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and if you think that you like this video and it's useful to you, please do subscribe, and see you again in the next one. Bye.